in today's video we're checking out the Palladium Light Pack shoes. Why should you consider getting them? If you've been thinking about getting different kind of a brand that is different, this is the shoe for you. It is made by France. They have been making those shoes for over around 100 years, so they've been quite some time around. They're not as popular in the United States, but they're worth exploring. There's a few things that are so much different with those kind of shoes than the ones you normally get. So first off, it is much longer in profile than you get normally with shoes. And the reason for that is very simple. You're getting a lot extra protection in the back over here, like more than half an inch here, and also in the front. So although you might be thinking, hey, I might as well get one size lower, do not. It fits exactly correct to your shoe size. And it just makes it that it is a little bit longer on both sides. So if you don't like shoes that are a little bit sticking out, then this is not right for you. But if you are looking and liking oversized shoes that totally fit you, then this is it. And plus the added extra protection is great as well. On the bottom there is a honeycomb grip over here. I find this grip pretty good outdoors, not as great indoors, so keep this in mind. Now it does have a lot of thickness and protection for you for outdoors. For the outdoors, I think those are really great shoes. They're made to take a lot of beating, and they're made for the outside. Now another thing about this, you can see they don't actually bend this well, but when you put them on feet you can easily bend them. Another thing is right here, the material is canvas all the way at the top, so we're not using any materials like hide or leather and so on. Those are totally good if you like to conserve the environment, in terms of like you don't want to go ahead and then reusing environmental stuff like cow-made leather and so on. So this is made totally man-made material. Plus and minuses to that. Now on the top over here it has an actual laces that you can lace them in, and the lace system works pretty good. The off-grid style is, for some people it's like but for others like, wow, this is new age look, and it definitely is. It does feature a new age style, something that not is for everyone, but if you like this kind of style, this is exactly right for you. So of course in personal you can see the shoe is also looking really nice looking. Over here we have ventilation exactly where you need it. At the top, this is sock-like material, so you can put this and you can step in it barefoot or not in case you want to. Now right on the inside there is an ability for you to take this whole grip out, but you can't take it out from here. You gotta go all the way in. It's much more easier for you to get it out in case you want to and exchange it. So if you want to exchange it, yes. If you don't want to exchange it and you like the honeycomb shape of this, that gives you a lot more extra, you can do so. You can see how it is stitched on the inside in case you're interested. It's pretty good stitched in here. And for the people who like it as is, then don't take it out and don't put anything else in here. The shoe itself features a lot of very good traction right on the bottom where you need it the most. A lot of protection from the front and the side, and overall honeycomb on the bottom gives it good grip. Let's put this on feet and check it out and see how it actually works. The off-grid shoes. First off, they're pretty much comfortable right out of the box. You put them on and they feel good right on your feet. They also look pretty good as well. It has a lot of protection for you in exactly the right places. So let me show you the bottoms over here, how they look like. And here's the protection you want. So over here there's protection right there on the front, and over here extra protection, and also in the back lots of extra protection too. And it has pretty long heels here as well, so it gives you a lot of cushioning when you step on things. What I like is the whole traction on the bottom, which is very strong, and above all the top is mesh lightweight material. So I do think those are really good shoes, not for everyday walking, but more for hiking and going into places in the woods where you need extra protection to protect yourself from the element, and yet you want all the ventilation from the top too. So the most important part is basically the protection. You get a lot of extra over here in case you get hit by something. The shoes are very comfy and they give you a lot of good traction. When you step on them, it feels good on your feet because there's all this layer of softness right on the bottom. Let me go ahead and show you when you jump if they're shockproof or not. And yes, very good shockproof material right throughout the entire shoe. So not only they're great looking, stylish, they also feel really good when you're wearing them. I recommend it for you to get in case you're thinking about getting something that looks like this, especially if this is the looks for you. I like the name, the offgrid. It does give this outback kind of a look, and the tan color is one of my favorites. So it does go really well with my show, and it also goes very well with my outfit and to walk with them in outside. Thank you so much for getting all the way to the end of this video, and you're probably wondering what I give the rating to this. I'm giving this an honest 8 out of 10. They are not my favorite in terms of being not really great for the indoors, but when it comes to the outdoors, I'll probably give it 9.5 out of 10. 10 is just perfect. I don't give almost anybody a 10. But yeah, if you look for something for strictly for outside off-grid and outdoor use that you're looking to, definitely show somebody something that, hey, let's put it this way, everybody wears the same exact thing. You want to wear something different. So if you want to wear something different that makes you really stand out, well, yeah, definitely those shoes be like, people will be head turners or, ooh, those are interesting looking shoes. Never seen anything like it. So consider this as your next shoe if you're looking for something that is distinct, interesting style, and awesome looks too. And they smell not that bad either. Oh yeah. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up, and see you in the next video of the show, where you never know what's the next thing going to be featured on this channel.